Back on the R6. This is actually day 5. I mislabeled the videos yesterday as day 3, which should have been day 4. But anyway, so we've got the neutral safety light switch back in. This block did not have one, so I just took the one out of there, and it actually goes way back in here. It's kind of a pain in the ass to get to, but if you look, we now have a neutral light. The bike starts up a little rough so far. So I've pulled the injectors out and I soaked them and cleaned them, and I'm gonna shove all this back together, and hopefully that gets us something. And then we can, if that works, I don't have to spend any more time there, then we'll go to putting the cooling system in. And then it'll be the normal brake flush, stuff like that, adjustment of cables, so on and so forth. This is where we're at now. Oh, by the way, hi Courtney.